Why do we need to know algebra in high school? What's the whole thing about us knowing algebra? Finding the x, the Senate power. This is gonna be a random video for sure, because this shit sucks. Why do we need to find the z to the 0 power? Why do we need to learn that shit? Hold on, there's more shit. Let me find it. There's more shit I can go and rant about this packet. Let me go past all the examples. Piece of shit that drives me crazy. Freaking packet, they're killing trees. Hashtag school is killing trees. Why do we need to know that shit? Probably can't see it, but 2 to the 3rd power divided by 24x to the 3rd power. Why do we need to know this shit? You know what? I'm gonna show you guys this shit real quick. Why do we need to know this shit? Why? What's the whole concept of us knowing this shit in high school? Knowing this shit in college is perfectly okay, but this shit should not be learned in high school. This shit we should not learn. It's wasting time, it's killing trees, and it is a pain in the ass. Knowing that those people out there that graduated high school without learning this shit. I talked to a school cop about this shit, and he's probably about 40 back then, probably still in the 40s now, and he didn't even learn this shit. He didn't even have to learn this shit. See, with me, I personally would say 8th grade should be the school limit. Should be. You should go up to 8th grade. And high school should be more about learning about jobs. And how to get one, how to keep one, and what we need to know to work basic 9-to-5 jobs. But now they want us to go to college, all of this shit. Which is alright. But the whole algebra thing still is kind of a pain in the ass. Like, why do we even need to do it? Stupid. And now I gotta waste my time just to do this. But is it really wasting my time if I could get a better job if I got an high school diploma? Kinda. But the way that I see it is that I'm not gonna be using this at all in my life. I'm not gonna go and find x to the 3rd power. Am I gonna find that? No. There's a lot of people that works at cashiering. That's just basic math. That's pretty much just adding, subtracting, shit like that. That's a lot of jobs that people are doing. There's construction, which you need to know some math, true. There's accounting, and there's all kinds of different careers. There are some careers that this shit is useful in, yes, but not every career is gonna be useful for this. What if you want to be a YouTuber? What if that's the career path you want to choose? And if you're choosing that, why do you need to know this? Let's say you want to get into the entertainment business in general, just as sports, acting, just entertainment. You're not going to find x to the 3rd power divided by 5. You're not gonna do that shit. You're not gonna do none of that shit. And nowadays, we have calculators that could do this shit for us. I understand if you want to be a mathematician, you're gonna be like an engineer, or gonna be doing something that this math is gonna be beneficial to you. But for me, this math is not gonna be beneficial to me. The job that I'm wanting to get, is I'm just gonna be driving a forklift all around. And I might get a construction job so I could have some money in my pockets and to do this in YouTube. But anyways, I'm dragging this shit along too much. Anyways, peace out. RJ is out. Deuces.